Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted YouTube channel. Let's get started. So, in order to restore your permanently deleted YouTube channel, what you need to do is to open your internet browser. In the search bar, type YouTube Appeal Form link and click on the first link from Google Help. Now, scroll down and under Community Guidelines Terminations, you will find the appeal form. Look for the hyperlink named this form and click on it. Now, you have to fill out this form. Enter your full name in the designated field. Then, enter your email address, which you use to sign in to your YouTube channel. Next, enter an email or alternative email ID that the YouTube team can use to contact you. Under URL, paste your YouTube channel URL. Now, here you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. Request YouTube team to recover your deleted YouTube channel. Once you have done that, click on the Submit option, and after you click on Send, within the next 24 hours, the YouTube team will contact you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.